Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your name on Pinterest. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is just head over to the Pinterest application on your phone and open that up. Once you're on the Pinterest application, you can just go and click on the little saved tab at the bottom right. Once you're on here, you will see under settings and personal information, you have an option to edit profile. So you want to go click on edit profile, and then you can see the display name right there. So you click on that, and then you'll be able to change this to whatever you would like. So go ahead and do that now. And then once it's done, you can just click done in the top right, and then it will save it there for you and just say it's updated. I hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.